He's like, what the fuck just attacked me? We don't get to see cats every day, see? Oh, wow. No, go fight him. No, that was funny. Go, fight. Liar tried to start some shit, but Logie went. Ew, there's like throw up on the ground.
Oh.
Brian, you start putting the stuff away, please.
Okay. Okay, so the jalapenos are done?
Yeah, let's separate the pieces too. And the cheese.
And just let me do it at a slow rate so I don't break anything.
You want marker, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, and the cheese. Oh shit.
Hey, that's not embarrassing. My cats are so dumb they eat boxes. Like.
Okay, and the mustard, please.
Okay.
And tomato.
They're all trying to hide from each other and shit.
Yeah.
The guy's like, what the hell?
Your plain
What's up?
Jane sandwiches. Y'all are some plain Janes.
They're doing their steak thing. I think I'm cute.
Oh shit!
What's your sandwich, dude?
You know what? I've actually seen better than that. I watched him. He knocked over the mattress and he went flying into the bathroom. It was so embarrassing. He looks retarded.
Show's over.